In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a LEMP web server on DigitalOcean utilizing Linux, Nginx, MySQL, and PHP. Whether you're creating a new web app or streamlining your deployment process, understanding how to set up this open source web server is an invaluable skill. To begin, visit DigitalOcean.com. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with a dashboard full of options. Select a suitable plan based on your needs. DigitalOcean offers various droplet configurations, giving you the flexibility to choose the resources you require for your web server setup. Next, navigate to the security settings within your chosen plan to add an SSH key or create a password. This step is crucial for establishing a secure connection to your server. After setting your security measures, proceed by clicking Create Droplet. Your virtual private server will soon be ready. Once your droplet is created, the next step is to connect to it via SSH. This task involves opening your terminal and typing in the command ssh root at your droplet IP. Here, your droplet IP is your server's unique IP address, which is provided to you after creation. The Secure Shell protocol is the gateway to managing your server remotely. After you've connected, the next move is to ensure that all packages are current by updating them. Use the command apt update and an apt upgrade. Why? Updating the packages guarantees that any security vulnerabilities are patched and that you have the latest features and updates at your disposal. With updated packages, it's time to install Nginx, a crucial component of the LEMP stack. Enter the command apt install Nginx y to begin the installation. Once installed, you can check its status by running systemctl status Nginx to ensure it's active and running. Following Nginx's installation, you'll need a database solution, which is where MySQL comes in. Execute apt install MySQL server y to add MySQL to your server's toolkit. This will handle the management of your databases. Now install PHP along with ppfpm, as it processes web content dynamically. By executing apt install pfpm pmysql y, you'll prepare your server to run PHP applications seamlessly with MySQL support. It's essential to configure Nginx to utilize PHP. Open the configuration file using nano etc nginx sites available default. In this file, ensure server blocks are set to process PHP files correctly. After specifying the right changes, test your Nginx configuration with nginx-t to confirm there are no syntax errors, and restart the service for changes to take effect. Lastly, let's test PHP processing by creating a file to verify everything is functioning. Use echo var www html info.php, and in a web browser, enter http your droplet IP info. You should see a PHP info page confirming a successful PHP setup. With the server now ready, you're all set to deploy your websites and applications using the LEMP stack. Happy coding!